I'm gonna play a little game with you.
Okay.
It's called Mouth Sound. Now I'll pick the sound because it's my show. You're gonna do an airplane. A Cessna 310R.
Okay.
I'll put 5 seconds on the clock.
Here we go.
Go! Okay. And you're out of time. Oh, came back up. I'm concerned about the plane. What's happening to it now? Oh no, did they hit a goose? Are you gonna do a water landing, Reggie? I can see the flames! Reggie, I can see the flames.
Hot dog.
Hot dog, hot damn,
Yeah.
hot diggity mother dog dude.